Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Grammarly Premium and ProWritingAid Premium and find out which one is the best paid grammar tool in 2025. If you're looking for the best paid grammar tool in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. If you're writing a novel or creating story-driven B2B content, you'll probably want to go with ProWritingAid. As their homepage declares, ProWritingAid is designed to be the storyteller's toolkit. In addition to the grammar, spell check, and rephrasing tools you'd normally expect from an app like this, it also offers powerful creative writing features. You can get chapter critiques and in-depth manuscript analysis. There's even a virtual beta reader to give feedback on your work. If you've used any sort of spell-checking app before, you'll be familiar with the multicolored underlines that indicate ProWritingAid's suggestions. ProWritingAid's default settings cast a wide net, so you'll see plenty of proper nouns and colloquial terms flagged as possible mistakes. Another fascinating report is the pacing check, which helps you find slower-paced paragraphs so you can break them up and avoid boring your readers. You only get one chapter critique per day on the premium plan, so it's best for refining as you write rather than trying to run it on 24 chapters of a finished draft. There's also a character analysis that shows how much screen time each character has in your story and identifies well-known parallels for the key characters. Virtual Beta Reader provides emotional feedback to complement the structural feedback of manuscript analysis. While the prototypical ProWritingAid use case is novel editing, Grammarly is designed for anything from spell-checking a business email to proofreading a high school essay. For example, one of Grammarly's most common use cases is fixing errors in Gmail. While you can use Grammarly anywhere, it's most powerful if you fire up the web app. Here, you can see all the articles you've worked on and the number of suggestions Grammarly has for your review. Upon uploading a new document, Grammarly gives you a chance to set goals so you don't end up applying social media lingo to a business document, or vice versa. You can also review Grammarly's performance report to get a quick sense of where you stand. Like ProWritingAid, Grammarly offers a familiar interface with underlined suggestions you can accept with one click. Grammarly allows you to set up a personal style guide to personalize the suggestions you get. If you rely heavily on AI for your writing and editing, Grammarly is far more economical than ProWritingAid. You get unlimited AI edits with Grammarly Pro, while ProWritingAid limits you to 50 per day depending on your plan. As with ChatGPT and other LLMs, the output is often generic, and you need to double-check any facts Grammarly adds. But with the right prompts, you can get a reasonable first draft. Rephrases are unlimited and let you see a range of options for rewriting one sentence at a time. Just highlight the sentence you want to work with and click Rephrase. With the above information, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.